Yes, today I'm going to explain the frames in pure aloha network. Okay, in last presentation, I discussed the pure aloha network as well as aloha network. Okay, and then along with that, evaluation of the multiple access techniques means like what and all method we supposed to use in the random access method. Okay, like now I'm going to explain the frames in the pure aloha network. Okay, I told in like pure aloha network, it is basically it is going to design radio wireless LAN. Okay, with the help of our LAN connection, we supposed to going to design the this aloha network. Then our pure aloha network, see you look at the diagram here, it contains the four stations. Okay, it's station 1, station 2, 3, 4, so on. Okay, means each device or each station having the capacity of 8 frames or 8 data we can send at a time to destination. Okay, uh, see, the one station have the capacity to hold the 8-bit information or 8 unit of information in the one channel to transmit the destination. Okay, like that, four channels they can able to transmit the all the information or 8-bit of information at a time to destination. During that time, what will happen means, okay, the given amount of time or at a time, it is going to send multiple device or different stations at a time. It is going to send the multiple information in the single channel. Okay, during that time it is going to leads the collision, otherwise some of the data or some of the frames it may be destroyed. Okay, so this is what our frame structure of the pure aloha network will be tell. The next method is procedure of the aloha protocol. Yes, like what and all procedure we supposed to follow the aloha protocol. Okay, so this is what the flow chart diagram of this the pure aloha or aloha protocol technique. Okay, for like initially for flow chart means it contain the like starting state and the ending state. Okay, in between like what and all transaction or what and all steps we supposed to follow, everything it is going to contain this flowchart. Okay, then this procedure, aloha protocol procedure, like initially I'm going to start the transaction. Okay, I mean start the like I'm going to start to send the data from source to destination. Okay, see now I am going to start the data, means I'm going to sending the frames to destination. Okay, so initially our k is equal to 0. Okay, here k is nothing but number of attempts, means how many time like you supposed to going to transaction will be taken care of. See, initially the k is equal to 0 means here nothing will be, means I am not attempt any transaction here. Okay, so that k is equal to 0. Okay, if I am going to attempt or if I am going to send the data, okay, during that time your k is become 1, means k is equal to 1. One time I supposed to send the data to destination. Okay, it means it is going to transaction will be happen for one time. This is what our k is equal to 0 and k is equal to 1, the difference between 0 and 1 here. The like if I am going to send the data or send the frame to a destination, okay, within the amount of time. Okay, see here, see, if it within the amount of time, okay, the given amount of time, if I supposed to send the frame to receiver, okay, successfully, it is going to receive the receiver successfully, and again it is going to get back the acknowledgement to the sender. Then that transaction will be leads to success. Suppose the the time will be out, or the time will be exceeds. Okay, during that time it is going like that frame, it is going to leads to k is equal to k plus 1, means the attempt will be more here. Okay, see, this is what k is equal to k plus 1. Suppose here k is equal to 1. Okay, means first time I supposed to attempt the transaction. Okay, if it is not complete the within the time. Okay, uh, during that time my transaction will be fail. So again I go for the next procedure or next step. Means here see, if it is fail, then here our flow chart will be tells. Okay, you have to, means if it is yes, okay, it is going to succeed. If it is no, means I am going to fail. Okay, within the amount of given amount of time, like I supposed to send the data to destination. So our k is equal to k plus 1 here. Means my transaction or my attempt will be increases here. Then after that the k is equal to k greater than of maximum. Means the maximum attempt in and also the maximum attempt. Okay, with the current attempt. Okay, means how many times I have attended. Means current information is greater than the maximum information, maximum transaction attainment. Okay, then like that again it is going to again get back to the starting state. Again the within the amount, given amount, I have to send the data to destination. Okay, finally if it is not happen, that will be aborted. Means the transaction will be destroyed. The next one is slotted aloha. The slotted aloha, in this scheme the time is divided into slots. Means the time is we supposed to divide it into different schedule. Okay, here the slot of TFR means the time frame. And like if any station to need to send only the beginning of the time slot. Okay, means the initially the each device it is going to send the a given amount of slot. Then stations are allowed to send only at the beginning of the synchronized time slot. Okay, means the given amount of time the stations it is going to allow the transaction, or it is allow the it is allows to, or it is give the permission to send the frames to destination. Okay, if it is miss, or if it is not possible to send the given amount of time. Okay, then obviously it could have wait it could have wait some random amount of time. After that only, once the line will be free, then only it can be resend the particular data to destination. Okay, then the vulnerable time now reduced, or reduce one of equal to TRF. Okay, like whatever the vulnerable time is there, at that time is supposed to reduce the one of the equal time of the time frames. The frames in slotted aloha network, yes, same thing. See, like in pure aloha network also it contain four devices or four stations. Okay, and as well as along with the time. Okay, if the given amount of time here, the multiple frames I supposed to send in a single channel, obviously it is leads to collision duration. Means it is leads to collision. Okay, otherwise our data will be successfully reached to destination. This is what our slotted allot time is. Slotted allot time here is a given amount of time. Okay, means given amount of TFR, means the frame time. Okay, it is nothing. It is not overloaded here. The collision will be not occur. Okay, if it is overloaded here, means the single channel it can carry the many number of data. Okay, during that time the collision will be happens. See, this is what our slotted aloha network. The vulnerable time for slotted aloha protocol means here you look at the diagram. See, this is what beginning and ending of the slotted aloha within the frame times. Okay, see, our vulnerable time here TFR means that the frame time as well as the like means current time. Suppose our station or our device A wants to send the frame at the given amount, at the current time. Okay, the same time the B station also already sent a frame between the T minus TFR. Means it the means the A station it is going to the